Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we got some NBA Teeny Mates blind bags, 3 of them. So I collect these. I only got 2 so far. There's 2 in each. So you get, oops, 2. So I got Ben Simmons and Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, and they come with 2 puzzle pieces, and they connect like that. Alright, let's get to opening these. Sorry guys. Alright. Oopsie. Technical difficulties again. Alright. Let's open pack 1. So you can get, these are the rare figures and odds. LeBron James glow in the dark, Trae Young statement uniform, Devin Booker statement uniform, and metallic gold Steph Curry. But I don't care if I get those. I just want to get Giannis Antetokounmpo. I think that's, I can't pronounce his name that good. Let's go. Alright, first up, got the puzzle pieces. Got that one. Now, who's this? Ooh, I got Devin Booker. Nice, nice. Come on, Giannis. Come on, baby. Puzzle piece. Oh, I can't remember this student's name. I need to get a Giannis. I really need one. So I got something topping. He's on the New York Knicks. Let's just get this flyer out so then. We got Obi Toppin. Nice, nice. Alright, second pack. So, puzzle pieces first. Oh, this one doesn't fit too good. That's not. Whatever. We'll figure that out. First is the loose one. We got, oh, who's this? Scotty Barnes, I think. Scotty Barnes. Nice. He doesn't have a ball in his hand for some reason. He's just like that. I got Scotty Barnes. Giannis. Oh, I think this is Jimmy Butt. Bam Adebayo. Let's go. I like a Bam Adebayo. He's good. He's a really good player. And lastly, Giannis. We need you. We need you, Giannis. Come on, Giannis. I just want Giannis. That's all I want. I don't need no res. Just want the Greek freak. Just open it from here. It's not opening. Oh my gosh, this is not opening. There we go. Let's get the puzzle pieces. No, not you. Whoever that is. I think that's Clay Thompson. Next one. I already have this puzzle piece, I think. Oh, come on, Giannis. Oh, I already have him. Shea. Oh, I got a double. Damn it! At least I can give these to someone. Alright, so... Sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure out... Where is this one? Let me just quickly put the puzzle pieces together. Alright, none of the puzzle pieces connect, but here's the figure haul that we got today. So, we got Obi, oopsie, hold on guys. So, we got, let me just check this. Obi Toppin and Bam Adebayo, Devin Booker and Scotty Barnes, and then the doubles give Shai and Ben Simmons. This is pretty good. I don't have these guys yet because I only have 2, but let's go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm doing another video today, and we're gonna do the spicy chips, and I'm gonna die. So that might be my last video. Alright, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.